Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Let's get right into my top three favorite hairstyles for vacationing. My number one style that is my favorite for vacation is the crochet passion twist. If you remember, I did some dusty rubber band rows. They did not look good, but they were sturdy and they got the job done. What I really like about the pre-twisted hair is that it won't unravel because they made it a point to twist it at the end so it doesn't come undone. If you want to go swimming, it dries really, really fast and it's still not heavy. My second favorite style is really fun and really flirty, and it is the Go Curl and Presto Curl mix. I also did this as a braidless crochet. It is really sexy and sassy and fun. It's lightweight as well. It is really fun when it blows in the wind. You can do so much with this hair. You can leave it long or trim it. You can put it up in a messy bun or leave it down. The great part is that if it does get tangled, all you need is a little bit of curl mousse. My last hairstyle for vacationing is the baby soft curl versatile ombre style that I did. It was also braidless and I really enjoyed that it was short, so if it's hot, it doesn't stick to my neck or my forehead. The frizz level is really, really low on this hair and I could wear it for a long time. I made sure that I installed it so I could move the parts to the middle and the side or not have a part at all, but it's really fun for any type of vacation. The best part is that if you're on a budget, 2 packs of this hair will only cost you $20 and you'll have some left over. So that's it for my top three, but if you need any other information about any other style you've seen on my page, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Until next time, y'all have a good day and happy vacationing.